Hi guys, I welcome you once more again to AB Math Education. Today we are going to look at absolute equations when it comes to SAT and ACT and other scholastic exams, how the questions will be worded. We are going to look at all the strategies. We have a question before us. So 2 into absolute 4 minus x plus 3 absolute 4 minus x equals to 25. Realize that this and this are like terms, so we're going to combine. When we are combining like terms, we look at the coefficients, the numbers standing outside. Those 2 plus 3, that make it 5 absolute of x. 4 minus x absolute close equals to 25. So we're going to divide here by 5, and we'll repeat the same thing here. And this 5 divided by 5 will be 10 into 1, and your absolute. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now the absolute of a number, it make it positivity, so we don't know either the number was negative or whatsoever. So for us to remove the absolute, then it could be that the number was positive, or it could be that the number was negative. This gives us 2 instances. So when 4 minus x was equals to the positive, then we can able to solve for x. So we will take the 4 to the other side, become 5 minus 4, and negative x is equals to 1. But we supposed to solve for x, not negative. So we're supposed to solve for x not negative, so we will divide both sides by negative, and if we do so, x is equals to negative 1. That's the first instance. The next instance is that we have to consider the negative. So when 4 minus x is equals to negative 5, we take 4 to the other side, which is negative 5 and negative 4. Negative x is equals to negative 9. We are looking for x. We divide both sides by negative 1, and x is equals to 9. So the two numbers that will make this equation true is going to be when x is equals to negative 1 or when x is equals to 9. But here the question asks us to find the positive solution. So for the positive solution, when x is greater than 0, the answer is 9. Let's look at the next question. We have 2 into the absolute x minus 9 equals to 20, and they want us to find the sum of the solutions. Divide both sides by 2. That's that. As we are removing the absolute sign, we're going to consider our 2 numbers that will make it possible. So x minus 9 must be equals to plus or minus 10. Now we're going to look at when x minus 9 equals to the positive aspect of it. Looking at this, that is the case. We get 10, we take the 9 to the other side, become plus, and x is equals to 19. And when x minus 9 equals to negative 10, we are looking at this, the negative side of it, and it would have been x is equals to negative 10 plus 9. We take the 9 to the other side, that gives us negative 1. But the question was, they want us to find the sum of the solution. So be careful, you don't end it here and you're going to lose marks. So the sum of the solutions are, we got 19, so it's going to be 19. The sum is addition plus negative 1, and that gives us 18 as the final answer. Guys, thank you very much for sticking with me all the way to the end. If today is your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Until I see you next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.